Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Ram tailgate latch. First, let's diagnose the problem. Is it stuck loose or not closing properly? Next, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and some penetrating lubricant. Always ensure your tailgate is securely supported before you start any repairs, preventing accidental drops or injuries. This preparation is key for a smooth repair process. Now let's get inside. Begin by removing the tailgate's inner access panel. You'll usually find 8 to 10 screws holding it in place. Carefully set them aside. Once the panel is off, gently disconnect any rods or cables attached to the latch mechanism. Take a moment to thoroughly inspect all the components. Look for signs of wear, rust, or any visibly broken pieces that might be causing the malfunction. This step is crucial for pinpointing the exact issue. With the mechanism exposed, it's time for the fix. Start by cleaning all moving parts with a good degreaser to remove any grime or old grease. Then, apply a high-quality lubricant to all pivot points, springs, and sliding surfaces. If you found any broken or severely corroded parts during your inspection, now is the time to replace them. Many parts are readily available and relatively inexpensive, making this a straightforward repair for most common issues. Almost done. Carefully reconnect all the rods and cables to the latch mechanism, ensuring they are properly seated. Then, reattach the inner tailgate access panel, making sure all 8 to 10 screws are tightened securely. Finally, and most importantly, test your tailgate latch multiple times. Open and close it repeatedly to confirm it operates smoothly and latches securely every single time. Congratulations! Your Dodge Ram tailgate should now be working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.